expertise and your knowledge set and utilize that knowledge and help.
Happy Monday. I just submitted a nurse residency application to one of the hospitals that I am very interested in. I figured I would try and just see, because a lot of people on Instagram were saying that you can apply to nurse residency programs before you even graduate. So I just want to see what they say to me. Since I just completed my ACLS and my PALS this week, obviously I haven't taken my NCLEX yet, and obviously I don't have all my transcripts done through school, but I figured I would just try it. So I put it in for summer residency, L&D. They have mom and baby, ICU, all different other departments. So I figured I'd just test out, see what they say, and go from there. But today I'm just working. I have online class. Basically, I get a little break right now, and then I start up again at 2. And then I'm going to dinner with my mom after work. Welcome to the vlog. My name is Tay. I'm a nursing student, and if you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm home, and I think my Dior shoes just came, so I'm gonna film a TikTok. I'll let you know how it goes. This is what happens. This is what happens. Good morning. It's Wednesday. I didn't wake up in the best mood, but then I realized it's my last day of community health, so I am in a great mood. Okay, I'm so happy. I'm very, very happy. I found someone to do the embroidery on my scrub top. Funny thing about SoulCycle, you try to cancel that class, less than 24 hours, baby, you already paid for it, and you don't get a refund. So, guess what? No. So I'm on my way there. I tried to convince my best friend. She's like, no, honey. So I'm going to SoulCycle right now. I did eat today, so I shouldn't feel, normally when I get out of there in the morning, I can kind of feel kind of lightheaded. So we'll see how I do. I've had meal and I'm drinking water and all that stuff, so we'll see. The temptation to just, but I'm not going to. I'm not. I'm just thinking about it. It's really fun. I actually met a nurse, and she also went to the same university that I went to, which is just like, she kind of said the same thing, like they're super disorganized when she graduated, and the dean got fired the year after she left because there was like a ton of complaints about it. So that's kind of a commonality, and that's just to really reiterate to all of my hold on, I keep getting turns. That's just to reiterate to all my pre-nursing subscribers who are getting ready to apply to nursing school. Do your research of your programs, and when I say do your research, I don't mean go on their website, because they're going to tell you all the reasons why you should pick their school. Try to find people on Instagram, alumni, and not just one alumni that they post on the Instagram, like other alumni, and see what they say about the school, because I was just hearing from the hospitals and like people who had positive experiences, and I ignored all of the red flags. Like, people were talking negatively about my school when I went to sit in several seminars to try to go there. And pre-COVID, it's really hard to get into nursing school, and I didn't think I was a competitive applicant. because I don't have the strongest grades. I have a ton of experience, but I don't have the strongest grades. So that was always something that, and when I say the strongest grades, I mean, I didn't have 4.0. I probably, in community college, I think I averaged like a 3.5, 3.6. So I wasn't a straight A student. So I knew I had to do other things to make it better. But yeah, just really do your research for what college you want to go to. Because that means more, because you're going to be with them for 2 years and they're in charge of your future, basically, where you learn things and all that stuff and the experiences that you'll encounter. So yeah, it was a good class. I'm glad that I went. It was fun. I don't ever regret after, and I have to remember that. It was just, it's difficult driving 30 minutes to go work out. Good morning. It's Saturday. It was raining a little. Well, actually it rained a lot, but it stopped now. I'm on my way to my facial. Also last night, I booked a Pilates class. So I've done Pilates once and I really liked it, but it was a private session. So I had been looking for some around here, but the one that's literally down the street isn't open yet. So I have to, of course, drive 30 minutes, but whatever. So I found basically like a package. You get 3 classes and you do Pilates. But I'm gonna call them and get some clarification, because some of their words kind of confuse me. So yeah, I have Pilates because I couldn't find any Soul Cycle rides that I really like. And I don't want to just like go to any Soul Cycle, because you know I'm paying for it. And the last one that I did, my tempo level or whatever, like they give you an accuracy of how much you stayed on beat, and I was at 80%, which in my book, that's passing. So I was like, see, I really think the music motivates me to go, because if I don't like the song or know the song very well, it will like, I'll kind of just zone out or not want to go as hard, because I'm very in tune to the music. I'm kind of running out of ideas for you guys, honestly, because I don't know if you want to see me at work, because I don't have tests anymore. I'm not studying for anything anymore, but I am starting to get anxiety about studying for the NCLEX, but I'm giving myself a break, and I'm going to start back up on the 27th, because May 27th is when I graduate. So I'm going to start studying for the NCLEX in a month. Start studying for the NCLEX on the 27th, and that'll give me a month of graduation, and then that way any days that I miss, you know, I'll have it pretty down packed. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to use UWorld and finish watching Mark Clement for the HESI. I only watched 3 of Mark Clement's videos, so I want to watch all the sessions and just highlight the areas that I'm weaker on all over again. It's just been a while to get me, not been a while, but it's been kind of hard to get me back in study mode, like excited about studying, I guess, because if I'm not in the mood to study, then nothing sticks. But something that always gets me back into study mode is like practice questions. Says I can do practice questions every day for the rest of my life. I love practice questions. It's just like the lecture part. That's what kind of makes me not want to. But I like Mark Clement's videos. So yeah, I'm gonna get my Starbucks and I'll be on my way. Of course, I parked in like the worst area, but on TikTok last night, they said to get a cup of ice with your matcha with no ice and the bigger size. Yes, queen. Okay, cool. So that's done. Pretty sure it tastes the same. Or would it? Yep. I'm gonna do it every time.